Meaning of IRA.
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 IRA. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. It is a type of investment account that allows individuals to save money for retirement on a tax-advantaged basis. Contributions made to an IRA may be tax-deductible, and the funds in the account may grow tax-free until withdrawal. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs allow for tax deductions on contributions, while Roth IRAs do not. Withdrawals from traditional IRAs are generally taxed as income, while withdrawals from Roth IRAs are tax-free if certain criteria are met. Overall, IRAs can be a powerful tool in planning for retirement.